baby girl, you are not me. Land that I could go to. This time seeing your eye. Oh no, I say too much. I said it up. That's been the corner. That's been the spotlight. Losing my religion. Trying to keep up. And I don't know like I do. Oh no, I said too much. I said enough. Losing my religion. The choosing song is called Losing My Religion. The song is based interpretation on mandolin. Mandolin is a musical instrument. It's more smaller than the guitar. Mandolin have 4 strings, concave, and it's very more smaller, like I say. Well, when I hear this song, it gave me a feeling, something fear, cause in the beginning, I think that song was a Catholic song or a Christian or a gospel song, but when I start to listen the lyric, I say something different. This song have subliminal message. Losing my religion. It sounds like it's contrary to the principle, Christian principle. But the lyric speak, but the tongue is excellent in fit with the tongue and music. Sounds good. Only the lack of harmony between the lyric and the song is persist. When he say, land that I will go to, I believe that this part of the song is not to be good, because don't to embrace to the rest of the lyric. The tongue voice is perfect, but the melody song is only the lyric reveal some subliminal message, something very stranger. Is something very strange to dissipate. What is the message of this song? Well, but maybe the song sound like a mystic. It sound like a mystic, something mystic man. Not too nice. Easy to explain what is the real message of this song. You know, cause sometimes it sounds good, but sometimes I believe that the message is something evil, is something that is not good to listen. There is something strange with those songs. The lyric contain a lot of sadness, like a singer voice, and the speed of these words. I think that I couldn't, the person or the guy they speak or to sing this song, maybe if it was to another country, maybe for Nigeria, maybe for Jamaica, sound different, because black people have different tone of voice, and that is the difference between this guy and maybe if another guy came to sing this song by work. It's okay. It's not too bad, not bad at all. Only I say that black community had the talent to do this kind of lyric or this kind of song, this kind of music. You know, because pop music is around the world. Every people around the world know this rhythm, and maybe every person here in this country love this song. I just only want to say, if you feel my pain, and you are going something, you are going to the pain that I'm going through, you are supposed to be our brother. It's very difficult to explain that, but I can do it. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank my tutor. I know that I need to improve my ability to speak more fluently, but I cannot do it because English is very difficult for me to understand and to speak. But I try to do my homework. Thank you for helping me to improve my ability. Thank you so much. Bye.